Oh, hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I want to look at Samsara today, IOT. And this is why. The stock's broken out really, really nicely. I'd looked at this on Monday, which is when I drew this resistance line that connected the top of this day here from March 9th to where it is here. And my contention was once the stock, and if this stock breaks out above this 2149 or 2150 level, you're probably going to see some prices that are higher. And so sure enough, that's what we got. And it actually started, the breakout actually started back here. Volume, if you look at this, volume was about average. Let me get this. I'm going to have to stretch this out a bit here. Okay, so volume is about average here over the last week and a half or something like that. But then it really broke out here. And then the following day, even more. And then over the last 3 days after that, it's still been drifting just sideways. Volume has been declining while the price has been staying where it is. We want to see that. You don't, when a stock breaks out and then it just starts drifting sideways, if it's a healthy stock, the volume will start shrinking. And what that shrinkage is it's an indication that buyers and sellers are both basically in agreement as far as what the best price for the stock is. Nobody's scrambling to buy as much as they can and having to chase the stock higher. Nobody's like just banging the sale button and hitting the bid because they got to get out of this stock. Everybody's going, okay, 22 bucks seems okay to me. Yeah, I like it there. And that's what we have here. And the fact that this is holding above the breakout point is a real bullish thing. It's a real positive thing. And so I'm looking for more upside from this. Now, this may surprise you. What would really make me happy is if the stock actually pulled back here one more time and then gave us a rebound, gave us the ability to buy this stock one more time, not on the pullback, but on an obvious rebound from the pullback. But if it doesn't, and it might not, a lot of times the market doesn't give you exactly what you're looking for. You can go ahead and buy the stock here and then just keep a stop right underneath the level. So anyway, that's all I got for you. By the way, we're holding a special price for members of Option Market Mentor. And in particular, I'm going to be teaching a course. It's going to be a $1,000 course, $997, but it's going to be free for Option Market Mentor members, and that includes trial members. So if this is something that interests you, I'm not a real hard sell guy, which is probably why I don't sell much stuff. But if this is something that you're interested, then you really want to get on board here because we got a lot of good things happening, definitely so over the next several months. And I really want you to be a part of it. So I'm going to do whatever I can to make you a part of it. Okay. So watch your emails for offers. I'll see you next time.